In today's flooring frenzy, the quest for a stylish yet practical solution often feels like navigating through an endless maze. Enter the unsung hero of modern interiors, luxury vinyl planks, or LVP. Gone are the days of faux pas floors that scream fakeness. Let's dive into the artistry of LVP installation that makes your floor indistinguishably luxurious and authentically yours. Number 1. Underestimating the power of preparation. The journey to an exquisite floor begins long before the first plank is laid or the first tile is placed. It starts with a vision that brought to life through meticulous preparation. This initial phase is often overlooked, yet it is where the true magic happens. It's the foundation upon which the beauty and longevity of your flooring rests. At Redeem Flooring, we believe that exceptional flooring is built on a foundation through preparation. That's why we offer comprehensive pre-installation services, including free floor prep, to ensure that your space is perfectly primed for its transformation. This isn't just about clearing the area or remove old flooring. It's about creating a smooth canvas that will support your luxurious new floor in every way. Our expert team takes the time to assess and prepare your subfloor meticulously, addressing any imperfections that could undermine the quality of your installation. Whether it's leveling uneven surfaces, repairing damage, or ensuring that the floor is clean and free of debris, every step is taken with the utmost precision and care. This attention to detail in the preparation phase is crucial, as it sets the stage for excellence. It's about making sure that the installation process can proceed smoothly, without any hitches that could affect the outcome. Choosing Redeem Flooring means entrusting your flooring project to professionals who understands the importance of preparation. It's an investment in the beauty and durability of your floors. By opting our pre-installation service, you're not just preparing your space for new flooring, you're laying the groundwork for a masterpiece. It's this foundational work that ensures your floors will not only look stunning, but also stand the test of time. Number 2, skipping professional installation. In the era of do-it-yourself projects, the allure of taking on new challenges is undeniable. However, when it comes to installing luxury vinyl plank, the complexity and precision required to achieve a flawless finish cannot be overstated. This isn't just a matter of lining planks and calling it a day. It's about transforming each piece of vinyl into a cohesive masterpiece that enhances the beauty and functionality of your space. At Redeem Flooring, we pride ourselves on bringing more than 15 years of installation expertise directly to your home. Our team doesn't just install floors, we craft experiences. Each plank is meticulously placed, not just for the sake of beauty, but to ensure longevity, durability, and seamless integration with your existing decor. It's a delicate balance between art and science, requiring a deep understanding of materials, space, and the unique dynamics of each home. Choosing professional installation means benefiting from insights and techniques honed over decades. We understand the nuances of LVP installation, from ensuring the subfloor is perfectly prepared to strategically staggering planks for a natural look. Our approach is not just about avoiding the pitfalls of DIY projects, such as misaligned planks or gaps. It's about elevating your flooring to a level of precision and beauty that only comes with professional craftsmanship. Remember, investing in professional installation by Redeem Flooring is not just about laying down floors. It's about creating a foundation for your home that's as stunning to look at as it is durable and functional. It's about ensuring that every step you take in your home is on a floor that's been crafted with care, expertise, and deep commitment to your satisfaction. Number 3, neglecting the importance of quality underlayment. Underlayment might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about new flooring, but its impact on your home's comfort and durability of your floors cannot be overstated. It's the unsung hero lying beneath the surface, quietly enhancing the way your floors feel, sound, and last over time. At Redeem Flooring, we understand that the foundation of great flooring goes deeper than the planks themselves. That's why we choose materials that has excellent pads, ensuring that your LVP flooring rests on a base designed for excellence. This quality underlayment does wonders for your floors, offering a softer step that reduces fatigue and make your home feel more welcoming. But the benefits don't stop at comfort. A good underlayment also plays a crucial role in the acoustic profile of your space, dampening the sound of footsteps to create a quieter, more serene environment. Whether you're tiptoeing around during a baby's nap time or simply enjoying a peaceful evening at home, the difference is noticeable. Moreover, the right underlayment can extend the life of your floors by providing a stable, supportive layer that helps prevent wear and tear. It's an investment in the longevity of your flooring, ensuring that it continues to look and perform its best for years to come. With Redeem Flooring, choosing the perfect luxury vinyl plank means getting a complete package. Top quality materials from top to bottom. The free pads are just one of the ways we elevate your flooring game, delivering a product that's not just beautiful, but also a joy to live in every day. Number 4, overlooking the details. They say the devil is in the details, and nowhere this is truer in the world of home renovation and interior design. When introducing new elements into your space, like luxurious vinyl flooring, the difference between a good installation and a great one often lies in subtleties. It's these nuances that can elevate your space, ensuring a seamless flow from one area to the next, creating a cohesive and harmonious environment. At the heart of achieving this perfection is our meticulous approach to handling finer aspects of flooring installation, particularly the treatment of baseboards. Our service includes free existing baseboard removal and reinstallation, or R&R, provided they're in good condition. This might seem like a small gesture, but it's a critical step that ensures your new floors blend flawlessly with the rest of your space. Why does this matter? Without proper attention to how your baseboards meet your new flooring, you could end up with awkward transitions, or gaps that collect dust and debris, or simply an unfinished look that detracts from the beauty of your new floors. Our commitment to detail ensures that your flooring installation is not just about laying down new planks, it's about enhancing the overall aesthetics and functionality of your home. By ensuring a perfect fit between your new floors and existing baseboards, we maintain the integrity of your space's design, allowing the natural beauty of your LVP to shine through without distractions. This attention to detail is what sets a professionally installed floor apart, making your space look thoughtfully designed and meticulously maintained. Number 5, choosing style over substance. In the quest for the perfect home aesthetic, it's easy to fall into the trap of valuing looks over longevity. However, when it comes to flooring, this approach can lead to regret. That's where the true beauty of our LVP shines through. Not only do they offer a visually stunning finish, mimicking the natural allure of hardwood floors, but they are engineered for life's unpredictable moments. Our LVP flooring is a testament of the harmony of style and substance. With a selection of colors to choose from, each plank is designed to not just catch the eye, but to also withstand the test of time. These floors are 100% waterproof, making them perfect choice for every room in your home, from the bustling kitchen to the serene bathroom. Spills, splashes, and the chaos of daily life won't faze them. Beyond their resistance to water, they're built to handle the rigors of heavy foot traffic, pets, and everything in between. The choice of LVP flooring is not just a decision for today. It's a choice for a stylish yet durable foundation that supports the rhythm of your life. With our flooring, you don't have to compromise on beauty to get a product that's built to last. It's a perfect blend of elegance and resilience, ensuring that your floors are not only seen, but felt. Number 6, forgetting about aftercare. Think of your LVP flooring installation as the opening chapter of an ongoing saga. The journey doesn't end when our team steps out of your door. It merely evolves. With Redeem Flooring, every LVP installation is fortified by a robust 1-year installation warranty, on top of the material warranty. This is our pledge to you, ensuring that the beauty and resilience of your flooring extend far beyond the initial installation. This warranty isn't just a document. It's a testament of our commitment to your satisfaction and the enduring quality of your flooring. We understand that life happens on these floors, and we stand ready to ensure that through all life's moments, your investment remains protected, ensuring peace of mind and sustaining elegance and durability of your luxury vinyl flooring. Number 7, the art of installation. When it comes to LVP flooring, the devil is in the details, and so is the beauty. At a glance, LVP offers that sought-after wood-look elegance. But did you know that the true magic lies in the craftsmanship of its installation? That's where we at Redeem Flooring step in with our artistic finesse. Unlike real hardwood, where each piece tells a different story with its unique patterns, LVP has a pattern that will inevitably repeat. But worry not, because this doesn't mean your floors have to scream faux. With our expert touch, we transform this challenge into an opportunity to create a floor that looks as authentic as real wood. Here's a pro tip, straight from our installer. Avoid placing identical pieces too close to each other. Seems simple, right? But it's a game changer. The strategy is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the many tricks of the trade we employ to ensure your LVP flooring is nothing short of realistic. At Redeem Flooring, we don't just install floors, we craft experiences. With over 2 decades in the business, our installers bring more than just scale to the table. They bring an artistry that makes each installation unique. Let's make your floor a masterpiece. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. Choosing the right materials and installation method can be overwhelming for many. So, we've developed a simple process to guide you in making the best decision for your peace of mind and wallet. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.